Ever created a Google form and wondered, wait, where's the Submit button? Don't worry, you didn't miss anything. In the editor mode of Google Forms, the Submit button usually isn't visible the way respondents will see it. That's because the button automatically appears when the form is viewed from the user's side. So if you're building your form and can't find it, relax. It's already built in and ready to work once your form is shared. Here's how it works. First, open Google Forms and start creating your form. Add your title, description, and all the questions you need, like multiple choice, short answers, or checkboxes. As you design the form in editor mode, you'll only see the editing tools and question layout. The actual Submit button won't show up clearly here because this view is only for building the form. To see what your audience will see, click the preview icon, that little eye symbol in the top right corner. Once the preview page opens, you'll immediately notice the Submit button at the bottom of the form. That's exactly where respondents will click after filling out the questions. And that's it. Super simple. If this quick guide helped you understand how Google Forms works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tech tips that save you time.